Hey guys, it's Becca. Welcome back to Cute Polish. Today I'll be sharing some tricks for painting your nails at home. So even before we start painting our nails, it's a good idea to use polish remover to get rid of any oils or leftover polish on our nails. Once you have a clean base to work with, grab a base coat and apply it to your nail to prevent staining and give yourself a smoother surface to paint on. When your base coat is dry, choose your nail polish. Too little or too much polish on your brush can make your manicure look streaky or flood your nail. So you know the size of your nail best, but for me, to get the right amount of polish, I scrape one side of the brush along the neck of the bottle and gently tap the other side. When painting your nail, start in the center and place the brush a couple millimeters below your skin. Gently push the brush up to create a curved edge and then pull the brush down the center of the nail. Next, make a stroke down either side of the nail to fill it in, and then blend everything together with a final stroke down the center. If you have longer nails, also make sure to cap the free edge with polish to prevent chipping. Do the same thing on the rest of your nails. If you find your hand is shaky, try resting your wrist on whatever surface you're painting on to stabilize it. Don't worry too much if you get any polish on your skin, you can clean it up later with acetone. After your nails are completely dry, do the same thing again for the second coat. Most polishes need 2 coats to look their best and to be completely opaque. Next, grab a stiff brush and dip it in acetone or nail polish remover. Gently dab off any excess liquid on a paper towel and then use it to carefully remove any polish from your skin and to make sure the edges of the polish are neat and rounded. When you're happy with how your polish looks, apply a coat of glossy, fast-drying top coat to seal in the polish, give your nails a beautiful shine, and make sure your manicure lasts as long as possible. When your polish is completely dry, apply some cuticle oil around your nails and rub it in. This is especially important if you're using acetone, since acetone will dry out your skin. And you're finished! I hope some of these tips were useful to you if you're just starting to paint your nails at home. Good luck, and I hope all of your manicures turn out well. You can watch more videos on Cute Polish by clicking these boxes here. Subscribe to Cute Polish for a new video every week by clicking this circle, and come check out my personal nail art channel by clicking this circle right here.